just got finished with my first ever Tesla mobile service appointment, and I guess my first ever Tesla service appointment period. The guy got here at about 8:40 and it is currently 11:40 and Siri's trying to talk to me. So the problem was my driver's side rear window wouldn't go down, so I couldn't open the door because the window wouldn't drop, and I couldn't roll the window down. I couldn't do anything with the window, it was just stuck up. Pretty simple replacement, I would think. Just replace a motor, we're good to go. 3 hours later, we kind of have an issue here. As you can see, there's still no window. He took the window out, he threw it in my trunk, and he got the bolts here, and I didn't know the window was that big to begin with. But he said he replaced the motor, placed the regulator, it all works, but he couldn't get the window back in because some plastic clips were broken and they wouldn't stay on, so we had to tape them on or something. And then also that the window wouldn't go up and down. I'm not sure how that makes sense if he couldn't get it on to begin with, so how does he know it's not going up and down? And why would that make a difference if it can't go on in the first place? But what ended up happening is he made me a service appointment to go to the service center now because I guess they got to replace the left something that controls the whole left side of the car, whatever that means. I don't know. I'm not sure how that's related to the window, but I guess that's what it is. So this is where we are. Trash bag on the window. Completely ghetto. I'd give Tesla mobile service 2 thumbs up. Leaves residue all over when it gets hot.
This looks like, what the fuck?
Yeah, the bag's all over the back seat and everything. It's falling apart. But yeah, like, the tape doesn't even stick and it just leaves residue everywhere.
This looks like shit.
Yeah, this is what he left me with. And it's hot.
Yeah, 120 degrees. Only stupid people go outside. So
Yeah.
if you want to do the back here, you want to see what designs we're going to do?
I just noticed this right now. Are these scratches? Or is this like residue or what?
Oh.
Because is this bag scratching the damn paint and everything?
Oh.
Like, is that a thing? I mean, it's blowing at like 80 miles an hour, right? So maybe
It's just residue, look.
I hope so, because like shit, it's like everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
So it is residue?
I think it is. Oh, I got a car wash and then water got in there somehow and it created
Teslas, huh?
Teslas.
All right, y'all. 1 week, 1 day late. Well, yeah, it's past midnight. 1 week and 1 day later, I'm here at my appointment. They're closed right now because it's after midnight. Let's go take a quick look at what's on the inside. Pretty cool, huh? Look at all these Teslas everywhere. All being fixed up. So I got my car parked right here in front of the opening. Maybe I can get in bright and early. They told me to drop the car off in one of the designated spaces. None of these are really designated for anything, but I'm sure they'll notice that there's a car here with no window in front of the service center entrance. Yeah, the bag didn't last, by the way. But that looks terrible. Yikes. Tesla looking like that. No bueno. But we're at Tesla Service Center. Very nice. Before I bought a Tesla, I came here and I thought this is where you come to buy Teslas. So I came to test drive. I'm like, oh, you had to go to the mall to show them. Okay. As you can see, boom. Tesla, gang, gang. What? Look at that. Oh. So, where's my key at? We gotta drop the key card in the drop box, which is apparently right here. Quick drop appointment key drop. After hours drop off box. Quick drop appointment key box. Oh, there's all these signs. Where are these ones? Service. Okay, I guess it's just right here. So, pull to open, envelopes inside. Oh, I need an envelope? See, she just said to drop the key, and I was like, how do they know it's mine? I guess that's how. I gotta fill in an envelope. Pull to open. Oh. Is this an envelope? A sticky note. There's sticky notes and no pens, guys. Okay. I guess let me go get a pen. Good news, guys. Oh, there's a bunch of pens in here. Oh, no envelopes, but there are pens. This looks kind of fancy. I don't know what to put on this. I guess I'll put my name. I don't know what my VIN number is. Yeah, as you see, rear window. Don't got one. This is pretty straightforward. It's not an envelope, but I guess it gets the job done. It's gone. And now we wait because they give us $300 worth of Uber credits. We got to go blow through in the next 3 days and hope the car gets fixed before then, because that'd be great. All right, y'all. It is 2 days later. I'm not sure how it took 2 days to replace the motor, but they also did some other things that I will show you once we get there, assuming they did it exactly how it said on the invoice for free. So that's pretty great. So we're about to pull up. They closed 2.5 hours ago. 2.5 hours ago. But I'm able to pick it up after hours, which is great. I dropped it off after hours, picked it up after hours. It's not as hot right now, so that's always a plus. So, let's see how this looks now that it should be completely fixed and functional. Here we go. Tesla gang gang! Damn, there's a bunch of Teslas here all the time. Alright, so it's been charging this whole time. Oh, right here, there we go. Alright, so if you want to come. Alright, so I decided to pick it up late because they plugged it in the charger. When I dropped it off, it had like 18%, and while they were working on it at 9. This isn't mine, but I wish it was. Alright, so let's see how this looks. Oh, they actually cleaned it. They cleaned off all the tape residue. Wow, Tesla came through in the end. Now the mobile guy who came over, he screwed me over, but they made it right. So they actually, I didn't think they were gonna do this, but they replaced the scratch that was right here because this trim piece got messed up because the window didn't drop. I didn't think they would fix that because technically it's not their problem because, you know, we did it, but it's because the window broke why it happened. So I'm really glad that they did it for free too. Wow, brand new. Did they wash it too? I think they washed it. Did they? Because remember it rained and it had water spouts? Yeah, they actually washed it?
Yeah.
Wow. Tesla comes through. I mean, I guess other dealerships wash your car too, but I didn't expect Tesla to. I don't even know where they would have a car wash at over here, but wow, okay, I'm pretty happy now. Now, I had to wait a whole week to get in, which is dumb since they broke it, but you know, whatever. So, let's see if it works. It dropped down! Okay. Well, they left my garbage can up there. Yeah, I guess I gotta clean it a little bit. But they actually, yeah, they cleaned it. Nice. I'm happy. Looks good. Nice. Now let me see, where's my key card at? So I left my key card here for them. And I don't see it in here. Oh, here it is. Oh, they gave me a little case for it too. Wow, they come through. So they put pin to drive on here so no one can steal it. Jeez, shut up. But yeah, wow, I'm actually impressed. That's crazy. It's always nice when you get your car back looking better than when you brought it in. I hate, like, you know, when they came over to my house, I got it back worse than when it started. It was stupid. I'm just glad I have a window. Let me actually roll it down. Ooh, it rolls down. Although, I just noticed the trim piece up here, they didn't put it on right. I'm not, like, look, it's like hanging down. I think it was over here too? Or was it just there? Oh, this whole thing right here. I don't think it was like that. Well, I'm not sure why they would replace, maybe they, I don't know why they would take it off. Maybe it was like that. Oh, that side is doing it too. I think it was a little bit. I don't remember doing all this though, but you know, whatever. I'm happy that they replaced the whole trim piece. That's a good, that's OW. That's nice. Like it, like it, like it. Yeah. I don't know, I'm pretty satisfied. It's actually really hot out here still, and it's like 8 o'clock. That's crazy. How's it 113 degrees while it's 8 o'clock outside? I don't know. But yeah, charger. I need to take this charger home with me. I need the faster charger. Gang, gang. All right, so I guess we're gonna head home and go get some food. Tesla Service Center comes in clutch. A+. Tesla Mobile Service. Should have came here in the first place, but they wanted to come to my house. It is what it is. Ended very swell. Oh, they also refilled the windshield wiper fluids, told me I needed a new tire, and filled them all up with air, and, you know, did all that good stuff. Even tightened the lug nuts or something. I was like, okay, cool. So we good. We good. Want to say anything?
No, I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
It's like I'm getting a new car. All right, I'm gonna get going. It's hot out here. Deuces.